Hello, my name is Ippolita. I'm an artist, I'm a jewelry designer, and I'm also the founder of Artemest, the online destination for everything fabulous made in Italy. So the house is a mixture of original structure that has been modernized, juxtaposed with very decorative art and objects and decor and furnishings. I really wanted to make it reflect my own aesthetic, which is maximalist but clean. Let's go inside and see where I live and work. This area right here links the living room with the kitchen, anchored by this mid-century Cassina couch, which I love. And I made this little table to kind of go with it in the same style. And then there are two root side tables that add some organic interest. I love collecting items of decor when I'm traveling, and I got these lamps, and I love them because they're funny, and a little bit of humor in decor is always good. I wanted to point out these bookshelves that I designed, which are part of the architectural theme of the house, which is cold rolled steel and solid walnut. There's also these pocket doors that I designed, because while it's wonderful to live in an open space, it's also nice to close the doors. During the renovation, in order to maintain the open floor plan, we had to consolidate all of the plumbing and electric in one area. So I made this column, and then I had these beautiful tiles made by an Italian artist to go from floor to ceiling. This kitchen was designed to be functional because I love to cook and I love to entertain. Once again, simplicity meets Baroque details, and you can see that in the beautiful marble counter, in the walnut cabinets with French beautiful bronze handles. So in the dining area, the contrast is achieved with this raw edge slab table, which is very simple, and this very ornate flame glass mirror, both of which I designed. So I have a wall of doors and windows that make the outside seem inside and the inside seem outside. I love how the trees of Brooklyn become part of the decor. While I love the inside of my house, this is why I live in Brooklyn. My inspiration here was the Italian table, the Italy that I grew up in. So the joy of that idea is something that I wanted to bring right here. These glasses, for example, are hand etched with little scenes of the forest. And because I like mixing new and old, the silverware is from my great-grandmother, and it's also very cute and ornate. I love the wildness of this secret garden. And here we have the bedroom, the walk-in closet, and the bathroom. So here in the bedroom, there's this wonderful Italian Florentine mirror that I had made. There's modern art over the bed. I bought the sconces. They have rock crystal details, and the light, of course, feels very Italian, like the whole environment, and the Venetian plaster on the walls sort of completes that look. I want to show you something amazing that I made. It's a closet door. As you can see, it's see-through, and it's sculptural, so it looks like my jewelry. So to me, this was bringing life and work together. This is my studio, my office. It's where I design my jewelry and where I run Artemest. This is the most wonderful room in the whole house for me because it's so full of light and it's so beautiful and serene. Here I have two incredible Brazilian chairs. Between the chairs, there's a huge mirror made out of a window from a ship. The lights in this room are industrial, and I wanted to have an industrial feel up here to declutter from overly designing the space and making it extremely functional. I hope you've enjoyed getting a glimpse into how I live and how I work. For me, one of the most important ideas is the idea that art matters because it brings joy to your everyday life. And so it's an important part of sort of the journey to find ways of expressing that and find things to put around you that really make you feel at home. So thanks so much for coming.
Before you go, let us know if you enjoyed this video. Drop us a like and subscribe.